Have you ever sat down to start something important, and suddenly everything else feels easier to do instead? You check your email. You straighten something on your desk. You pick up your phone. And the task you actually meant to start just sits there. For many adults with ADHD, this is called task initiation difficulty. Task initiation simply means getting started, not finishing, not completing, just starting the first step. And for ADHD brains, that first step can feel surprisingly hard. It's not because you don't want to do the task. It's often because your brain is trying to process too many pieces of information at once. How long will this take? Where do I start? What if I do it wrong? What if it takes longer than I think? That mental load can make the task feel bigger than it really is. So your brain looks for something easier. Something with a clear beginning. Something that feels manageable right now. That's why you might clean a counter, answer a message, or scroll your phone instead of starting the task you plan to do. One strategy that can help is shrinking the first step. Instead of telling yourself, I need to finish this project, try telling yourself, I'm just opening the document. Or I'm just writing one sentence. When the first step is small enough, your brain experiences less resistance. And once you begin, momentum often follows. Starting doesn't have to be dramatic. Sometimes it just means making the task small enough for your brain to say yes. You're not lazy. Your brain may just need a smaller doorway into the task. Do you ever avoid starting a task even when you know it needs to get done? Let me know in the comments. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. If this was helpful, subscribe to Focus Mode ADHD for support and productivity tools for adults 50+.